Hello, I'm Miles Tails per hour. We are now ready for the next part. From previous part we told you Sonic has a high power of 62,500 joules. In 1 second, we get in terms of watts, 62,500 watts. You may like to mean in horsepower, it's 83.33 horsepower, in the section of kinetic energy. In potential energy, I'd like you to show the sliding of a ball. First case. The ball is placed on upper parabola, that has higher potential energy. What really happens is, the ball will slide on the either side of the upper parabola. Its state is the unstable equilibrium. The second case, if the ball is placed on a straight line, the ball will remain stationary or in motion. If the line is slanted, it will slide, against the gravity. Its state is in neutral equilibrium. And the third case, the upper parabola in the first case replaced to lower parabola instead. Its potential energy will be fixed in this position, just like you watch the pendulum of a clock in the mean position. Its state is the stable equilibrium. So you now know the three cases: unstable equilibrium, stable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. Now, we'd like you to show a mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. It is the energy associated with the motion and position of an object. I'd like to give you another question. The total mechanical energy of a block is 50 joules, when the kinetic and potential energy are 20 and 30 joules. If the kinetic energy is 40 joules, what is the potential energy obtained? It's very easy to identify. It's 10 joules. For one such application, kinetic energy is used in the car crash tests. Please don't try this at home. If a car crashes into a wall at 5 miles per hour, it shouldn't do much damage to the car. If the car accelerates much faster from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour, there is a lot of damage on the wall. Potential energy as person in a lift depends on its height and gravity. And total mechanical energy, such as a demolition machine, the wrecking ball possesses potential mechanical energy when it is raised to a vertical position above the ground. The ball has the ability to do work due to its vertical position. So you now know about kinetic and potential energies. Like, comment, and subscribe now.